E aí galera, beleza? Eu sou Michael William e eu venho trazer boas novas para vocês. Já imaginou falar português em apenas 4 meses?
Hold on. Did you get it? Don't worry. I have some awesome tips for you. After 6 long years teaching many different people around the world, what are the advantages of an online course? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, many.
If you are a Spanish or English speaker, it's for you. You'll find exercise, grammar, slang. It's a really complete course. É isso galera, eu espero vocês. Eu estou pronto para te ensinar. Você está pronto para aprender também?
Don't waste your time. Check out my bio, udemy.com/Portuguese-language. The cheapest Portuguese course online has come to you. It's your turn. Apply right now.